So this is really about the same type of thing, really about triangles, and it's a play on cool and warm. So for me, everything starts the same at the base. My favorite tone to do color correction with, 1B. It's gonna resonate. You'll get that on the way home on the plane. You'll be like, oh my God, that was so funny. It's fine, you'll get it later. So the idea is that everything starts with the 1, and then we work out to the violet, and the violet is blooming orchid and a little bit of our purple, royal purple, okay? So from there, then we did is to the retro blue, and then we added the purple into that. And the idea is that everything starts and melts down, but then we wanted to play into this warm and cool. So into triangle sections, into a little signature piece, and again, where everything starts and stops. The last thing is to add the movement where everything was really much on top, whereas like with Chelsea's, everything was very much on the bottom. So this is a huge commitment if you're getting on to anything above occipital, is a very, very big impact of color. So with Hannah's, huge impact of color. I think it turned out pretty good. What do you guys think? You like? Give Hannah lots of love. Thank you, doll.